What's up, y'all? This your girl Zesta. So today I'm gonna be taking the kids to the park. The kids are waiting on me right now. Seem like they've been waiting forever, ever, just for me to walk out this door with them. So they're in the background. They're ready. So we're about to leave. We about to head out to this park. It's like a splash pad / park or whatever you want to call it. But like the park have like a splash pad. I told the kids to dress like they want to get wet, but I guess they just want to get wet with their clothes on. It's cool. Jasmine in the background. Hey. What up though? Hey babies. Anna, Brianna in the background. Hey, baby. Anna. And chilling. And I'm like, oops, I don't want to be in this. So I decided to stop at the store to get the kids some snacks so that they won't be complaining at the park, talking about, oh, I'm hot, I'm thirsty. Okay, honey, that's how kids act. That is exactly how kids act. You guys hear them? They said they don't act like that. They do. But yeah, we're at the store.
I'm not even hungry.
You're not hungry? You don't want anything?
Mom, you just said let's go get some Lunchables.
They're gonna get I'm gonna get a couple things. The kids want Lunchables, so maybe something to drink. But yeah. I'll see you guys when we get back. So we made it to the park, you guys. Here.
Here, use the ticket.
And kids are about to play. It is hot, as you guys can see. I am sweating up a storm.
I'm sweating.
It's
like
crazy. I do not like to sweat, but just for the kids, okay? For the kids. So you guys, we're about to get this stuff out of the car, and we'll get back with you in just a sec. So we are now at the park. I'm about to let the kids eat, and then they can play all they want. You guys, I forgot our speaker. I'm so upset because usually we play music when we come to the park and everything, but I guess our park buddies have music, so we're occupied. Okay, the kids having fun. I have bought the kids 2 Lunchables. Hold on, let me show you guys what the kids have.
You got the same thing.
I know, everything everywhere. Kids just threw the snacks out. So I also bought myself something to drink, and I bought myself a Lunchable. So we're just vibing. It's nice out. Looking good. It's about 6 o'clock. Or going on 6 o'clock. And it's still light outside. Which kids will be playing in a few minutes after they get done eating. But I'm all for it, sis. Just as long as the kids are happy, I'm happy. Period.
go back there again.
You guys had. I don't know how hot it is. Here, let me see. Hold on. Hold on, you. Here you go.